Welcome to Mr. Tien channel. Today, we will experience a beautiful walking tour at Concorde Square, Paris. Come to Paris, the city of lights and wonders. Today, we will begin our journey to explore one of the most iconic locations in Paris, Concorde Square. In August 2024, when the brilliant summer light decorates every detail, Concorde Square becomes lively and full of life. As the train passed and the barrier gradually opened, the flow of people was once again released, rushing through like a flood after a rainstorm. People hurriedly continued their journey. The sound of the engine sounded again. The hustle and bustle of the city continued. Eyes turned forward, each person carrying a goal, a destination, but all shared this moment, a moment of waiting and liberation, of pausing and then continuing their busy lives. The rhythm of life here continued to roll on, without stopping. The tired but determined faces, the quick but still rhythmic steps, All are proof of the tireless working spirit of the city's people. Whether it's a rainy day or a sunny day, whether it's a hot summer or a cold winter, this place is always bustling. There is always a strong flow of energy, pushing people forward. And when the last stream of people has passed the train barrier, when everything has returned to normal, only faint footprints remain on the road, where a brief encounter between people and the train had just taken place. Life continues, each moment passes, but the early morning scene at the train barrier remains an indispensable part of this city, like a familiar rhythm in the endless music of urban life. Thank you for joining us today on Mr. Tien's channel. Please continue to follow to discover more great destinations. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next videos.